Caught me off guard on the shoulders of the freeway. You told me real soft and steady. And I saw it in your eyes. Explosions in the skies. Hands in your pocket, shoulder to shoulder, so laid out for me. Oh, I could never run it any other way. If you had a reason that'll make you stay, we could go out, my baby. With you.
Ganda. Thank you. Pero kahit magamit ko man to hindi magbabago yung isip ko. Ikaw pa rin at ikaw ang pipiliin ko at hindi ako mababago. Mabagok man ako, ikaw pa rin yung gusto kong kasama sa buhay ko.
Hardly breathe. Oh, I could never run it any other way. If you had a reason that'll make you stay, we could go out, my baby. With you, it's kinda different and it's not the same. I could be a guy every Saturday. We should go out, my baby.
Ate, mahal, soon to be my wife. Salamat sa lahat. Hindi ko mabanggit to. Lahat sa damit, pero nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil ikaw ang nilaan niya para sa akin. Tanggapin mo sana tong regalo ko sa iyong helmet para baka mabago ka, magbago ang isip mo. Baliw. I love you. See you later.
Parang hindi na kita matatawag na ate kasi after this, mag-asawa na tayo. Siguro mahal na. Stable na yung mahal na tawag ko sa'yo.
Sa akin ka na lang, este, sa bahay na lang. Kidding aside, I know I am lucky to have you as my husband kasi you are the type of man who is willing to fix anything that needs to be fixed. Just like this wedding, I want to know how grateful I am for your sacrifices, patience, understanding, and love for me, just to give me the wedding I always dream of. Mahal na mahal kita, Randy. See you later.
Binigyan ako ng parang ng sign na siya talaga yung para sa akin.
Ito ang hinahangad at idinadalangin ng lahat ng sumasaksi sa banal na pagtitipong ito. Natamuhin nawa ninyong dalawa yung masaganang pagpapala ng Panginoong Diyos.
Just a gentle whisper told me that you'd gone, leaving only memories. Where did we go wrong? I couldn't find the words then, but let me say them now. I'm still in love with you.
Ma, thank you sa pag-aalaga. Ngayon, bubuo na ako ng pamilya. Sana maging ganun din yung maging anak ko katulad ng sa amin. And maraming salamat.
Papasok ko ngayon sa buhay mag-asawa. So sana pagpalain pa kayo lagi ng Diyos. Tsaka laging mag-ingat. Tsaka stay lang yung pagmamahalan sa isa't isa.
I will stay here with you through the good and bad. I will stand true. I'm in love.
Kuya, ay naiyak ako. Kuya, I remember this ring. It's so vivid na you proposed to me nang hindi ko alam. And doon ko napatunayan na ikaw yung tipo ng tao na gagawin lahat para mapasaya ako. Kaya hindi ko makakalimutan yung araw na nag-propose ka sa akin.
And I promise to you, I will always be there.
Hindi ako magiging ako kung wala kayo. Hindi man ako perfect. Sumasagot man ako. Pero hindi ko intensyon na makasakit kasi mahal ko kayo parehas. And ngayon naniniwala ako kung bakit. Kung ano yung sagot sa mga bakit, sa mga panalangin ko. Kasi ngayon nararamdaman ko na kahit hindi tayo buo, nararamdaman ko pa rin na buo tayo kasi alam kong mahal niyo ako parehas. In not the perfect way, pero perfect yung love niyo para sa akin. Yan lang. Thank you. And I love you both. I love you, Nanay. I love you, Dad.
This I promise, I will never leave you. I will stay here with you. Through the good and bad, I will stand true. Hold me closer. Our love is...
So parang hindi na ako mag-set up pa nung kung ano-anong setup. Sinabay ko na yung proposal doon, tsaka nandun na kasi lahat ng mga importanteng tao sa amin, tsaka kamag-anak. Kaya tinake ko na rin yung opportunity na doon na rin mag-propose. Kaya medyo, biglaan din, nung mismong week na yun.
Ay, Kuya, mahal, I really don't know what I did for God to bless me with things and don't know how to ask for. When we met, I have no idea that the man with the very corny jokes will be the man and I will spend the rest of my life with.